If you've been scrolling through social media lately, you've probably seen 7 distinct male personality types categorized by the Greek alphabet. The most famous is the confident and assertive alpha, followed by the kind, relationship-focused beta. Then you have gamma males, who are adventurous and fun-loving, and deltas, who are known for being dependable and responsible. Zetas stand out as independent, non-conforming creatives. Rounding out the list is the Sigma, who leads by his own rules, while mentoring others, and the Omega, the skilled introvert, comfortable in his own brilliant company. It's important to remember not to idolize or devalue any specific type. Some alphas struggle with ego and risk-taking, while many well-adjusted Omegas lead successful, fulfilling lives. Furthermore, don't take these archetypes too seriously. Much like horoscopes, these are broad categories people made up and aren't backed by science. Some online spaces even use these rigid hierarchies to push toxic, misogynistic views. These labels aren't a social law, so just focus on the life that feels right for you.